Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock the Bao Panda skin in Snake.io game. If you're playing Snake.io and you've seen a cute panda skin called Bao, then this tutorial will walk you through exactly how to unlock it. First of all, launch open the Snake.io game and make sure that you're logged in. From the homepage of Snake.io, go ahead and tap on the Edit Snake button at the bottom of the screen. You will then come across these snakes who you can unlock or play with. Swipe through the options and look for the panda or the Bao option here. And in order to get Bao, you'll need to spend 125 coins. The thing you must do in order to unlock the Bao Panda snake might vary depending upon the region you are playing on. If you have enough coins, displayed on the screen, tap on the little green button in order to unlock the Bao skin. So that's how you can easily unlock Bao Panda skin on Snake.io. After unlocking it successfully, you'll then be able to play with Bao Panda skin and enjoy slithering in panda style. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.